Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an essential SQL topic, select statement part 2. Okay, we are continue the previous video that's talk about select statement, and now we are going to select statement part 2. Okay, for the first, I will explain about like operator part 2. Previously, I have explained the like operator, and now I will explain about wildcards of the like operators. There are two wildcards, that is a percent symbol and underscore. Percent is represent zero or more characters, and underscore represent a single character. Okay, for this video, I will use with W3 Schools SQL editors again, and we are going to try the query here. I will start with percent. This is the percent function, average. Okay, this is means the query means I'm going to select from customer that where the customer name is like average, or including average what in the value. Okay, I will remove the percent in behind, and what happened is zero value. But if I use percent in behind, it's will be it will show the value. What's the difference? Percent in behind means you are search for a value that contains some character or word in the front. Okay, this is mean I will search for average value that in the front of the value. Maybe I will try by this. Oh, this is also zero. Okay, what about like S? Okay, the value is there is some value. Okay, it's mean I search customers that have customer name with S character in the behind. Okay, like this. S, 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 and S. Okay, maybe I will use AS. AS, 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 AS. Okay. I hope you understand. And next I will explain about the underscore. Okay, this is the underscore. The underscore is specific to represent a single character. It's mean it's not specifically. Maybe I will use a thread. For example, you are forget what's character in the alphabet name, like this, LF, and the query is understand what you want. Okay, maybe like this. It's mean phrase for character in 3. This is 3. For one underscore, it's mean one character, one unspecified character. What is about 5? It's also show the value. Okay. Okay, what about TE, and the result is like this. This is also like this. Okay, that's it for like part 2. Next is in select and not in select. For the additional, I will show one example again. Alfred's and Alfred's. If you are randomly want to search a value with the character, the character is F, you can use underscore. It will zero value if it's underscore is mean a character, unspecified character. Okay, if you are forget what the first character or second character, you can use underscore. Okay, that is for the in and not in select. I will use two table. I must use two table. Okay, for example, customers. I will select all customer folder first and orders. It must be have a relation with customer table. Okay, I will use customer ID for the relation column customers where where customer ID in select customer ID from orders table, and the result is 74 rows. What if I use not in? The result is just 17. Okay, I hope you understand what its function. In and not in will filter your select by the subselect or subquery in your query, all query totally. Okay, in is mean your main query is there is in subquery result, but not in is the opponent. Your main query not available in the subquery. That is for in and not in select. Next is between text and date. Between used to filter your query between two value. Okay, maybe I will use orders table for example. Okay, orders, and I will add filter where the customer ID between 90 and 93. The result is there are two rows. There is not customer ID 92 and 93. That's for the numeric example. Next, let's go to the between dates. I will use orders table again. Okay, and we'll use the order date column for the sample. Okay, between 1996 April 7 and maybe 1996 810. The result is what about not use string format? Oh, maybe this is unmatched the data type. What about this format? Oh, it's also not acceptable. Let's try again. It's also zero record. Okay, I will try other table again. Like products. No. Employees. There is a birth date here. Okay, I will try again. Where birth date between 12/8 1968 and maybe 1969 1969. The result is it's also unacceptable because the data type is mismatched. Maybe I cannot use this SQL editor for the example. Okay, but the usage is you can use like this format. Sorry, not like this, but like this. One YY DD YY MM DD like that, like that. 12 and 1. Next is concatenate. Concatenate or concat used to combine column that you want to show with other column or random character. Okay, I will select all employee for first, and this is the usage. Concats first name column, first name plus maybe space this character and last name. I will use alias full name. Run. Oh, I'm sorry. Concat is not supported in the SQL server, but this is the right format. You can use it in the MySQL. The SQL server support like this, first name plus last name. Okay, and what about random character example is maybe ABC. like this, and scale, and plus name abc. Okay, next you can also use alias for tables. Maybe I will show example in example, maybe customers where customer ID in select customer ID from orders. Okay, maybe I will use O as alias S ORD, and I will add ORD dot order ID like this. I'm sorry, maybe I will use select from orders for the first order ID. What about choose? And this is the value. Okay, that is example for alias for a table. Next is group by. Group by is as the name, its function is group by a specific condition. Like for example, I will use group by maybe city. I will group by city, and because it's a aggregate function, it must be use specific column. Cannot use it must be use aggregate function too, like max, min, average. Okay, and the result is the max value of the group by the city column. Hopefully you understand. If you still didn't understand, you can ask in the comment section. Last is having. You can use having with the group by function. Okay, maybe for the example, count customer ID, country, and I will use having count customer ID is 5, more than 5. Max, I will use max function, and this is the result. Okay, only UK country that have a customer more than 5. You can use this operator for having. Okay, that's all the second video of select statement, and next we are going to the that video. See you.